Hello everybody, I'm Sascha. Welcome at Hicof. Let's have a quick tour of our company. My name is Sascha Toedtli. I'm the co-founder of company Hicof. We manufacture case pack equipment and industrial marking machines as well as aggregation equipment. Switzerland was the ideal place to found this company because we have fantastic technical university, ETH Zurich. We have majority of our team coming from this university, which helped us to really develop a product which is ahead of its time. Our first customer was a company which we worked together in consulting. They were looking for a long time to find a fitting solution for their track and trace needs. And they had difficulties as existing solutions were very heavy, very cumbersome, and lacked especially also in being combined by several suppliers. New technologies are for us a big driver of progress and also staying ahead of the edge in competition. We work on vision technology mainly, as well as industrial components, so lenses, camera systems, innovative drive systems which work without mechanics. Things like this help us to stay ahead of the competition, to also lower our cost oftentimes through really rethinking how things are done. Hector is for us, it's like a toolbox of different camera systems, control systems, interfacing systems, which allow us to combine together systems which are solving various challenges at customers, being it tracking challenges, aggregation challenges, or inspection challenges. The challenge of Hector is to develop a system which is taking the advantage of having a cloud-based infrastructure while being very flexible in what type of inspection applications you want to be able to perform. So having a very broad toolkit needed or required from us to have very flexible standards how we can assemble together the cameras, the lenses, the control units. The Optotune lenses are used in Hector especially for anti-counterfeiting applications. We have applications where we integrate camera systems in between manufacturing lines on conveying systems. Customers don't want to have operator needing to adjust for every product coming on the packaging line.
The Optitude lens allow us to capture high quality images of subjects that move past the camera in a very high speed at various distances. So specifically, we measure the distance and we tell the lens how far away the subject is, and it will give us an in-focus image.
When we try to solve the challenge of making an automatic focus on a conveying system, we looked into several options with multiple cameras or having also smart cameras which have been equipped with autofocus. But either we were not convinced of just the amount of hardware we had to put on to solve this challenge, or it was just a system which came with many functions which we didn't use. And Optotune gave us the possibility to really isolated adjust to this challenge, have a very high performance, especially also in the optical field, which is a requirement for this application. And overall, it just ticked most of the boxes that needed to be ticked. Initially had there also some other solutions on the desk, which were more like using commercially available autofocus lenses out of the consumer market, which didn't convince us. And through web research, we have found the solutions from Optotune, and they convinced us from a very early day. Optotune helped us with integrating the lenses into our application, always very directly, always on a high level. We had always access to engineers which spoke our language, who could understand our challenges. This was very helpful for us to keep up with the speed we are running, and this was a very pleasurable experience for us.
The future in serialization and aggregation, I believe to be in making the complex landscape that it is simpler. Basically, there is a lot of offers on the market that can provide you a serialization system, and a machine that can do marking and grading and packaging and aggregation of serialized packs. Really, I think the challenge lies in making this as simple and as seamless as possible, disregarding of on where the product is going, etc.
Well, I enjoy the working with technology every day. Technology is able to solve challenges which you initially didn't think it's possible to do. And I think a big motivation for us in the team is to really always try to find a solution to make things happen, be it at the low cost or be it at something which never was solved before. Solving these challenges day in, day out is very satisfying, as long as you were able to find the solutions.